Can you all come a little closer? Thank you.
Wait. Yeah, ma'am, wait, please.
One more.
One more. Yeah. And make some noise, please. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay.
Not seen the entire talk and would like to accompany me as I give the grand tour. By the way, it's at Fitzwell. So, alright, great. Whoever wants to, please follow me this way and we'll take a tour. We're going to do a lot of cardio, okay? Up and down the stairs, but that's all part of being fit, right? Let's go forward.
Thank you. Thank
Come in the middle. Your only time. Okay.
Thank you very much. Hold on. One for the wait.
Yeah, wait.
1 minute.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Smita Gondkar. I wish Fitzwell a very, very, very happy journey ahead. We are launching today, so I wish you all the very best.
Hi, I'm Rakhi Sawant and I'm into Fitzwell Gym. So I like to all the best and congratulations. I'm going to work out here. Yes, definitely yes. And I want to invite all of you. Come over. We'll work out together. See?
Hi all, this is Umesh Firwani here, and I'm here at the inauguration of another wonderful fitness place, Fitsville. I love the place. It's got 4 floors of absolute amazing equipment for workouts and to get fit. So if you are thinking about taking that next step to work out, then this is a place that you should definitely consider, and this is the right place to start. I work out here. Where do you work out? Fitsville.
Hi there, this is Shweta here, and I'm going to wish Fitsville all the very best. It's a damn neat place. It's like a place where you can just go work out, have a lot of fun. You don't have to care about anything. So just lose those extra weight here. All the best.
Hi, my name is Marika Johansson, and I was invited here by Abid. We are running Marika's Healthy Kitchen, so we are going to have some meals here for him in the future of the gym. And I'm really happy to see a gym like this. It's very well done. It gives you an atmosphere that you want to sweat and train hard. All the equipment is superb, and I'm going to come here from tomorrow. It's awesome. Good luck, Abid.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Fitsville. अरे workaholic people always love gym. कैसा भी gym हो, अच्छा gym हो. And but this is very nice. I like the concept. 3 फ्लोर पे आप ऊपर नीचे करोगे तो वैसे आपका वर्कआउट हो जाने वाला है. So you can't run away from the workout. Like आप आए हो, आप कुछ भी नहीं करोगे तो भी आप वर्कआउट करोगे. And I like the concept. It's very different and he made it very basic. And that's what I like. जहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा fancy होता है ना, फिर वो workout नहीं होता है, फिर हम आपको checkout करते रहते हैं हम लोग सब लोग. So very nice, all the best.
It's taken care of each and every corner. सब जगह पे और बहुत अच्छे से align किया है. Like you know, for every workout there's like in a different floor and divided very nicely, made it very nicely, and all the equipments are there. So you guys, whoever is watching and nearby, if you stay, you should come and join Fitsville.
जब से दीपशिका इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ एक्टिंग खुला है ना, वर्कआउट तो मेरा बंद ही हो गया. माइंड वर्कआउट बहुत होता है. बट येस, आई गो फॉर माई वॉक्स. आई डोंट मिस माई वॉक्स. दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. बट आई नीड टू लूज वेट एंड आई नीड टू वर्कआउट नाउ. आई कम एंड डू वर्कआउट. सी आप कुछ भी नहीं करोगे, जिम करोगे, आप ट्रेडमिल करोगे. माय इंस्ट्रक्टर विल किल मी फॉर ऑल दिस थिंग, बट व्हाट आई से द बेसिक हाउसवाइफ जो जिम नहीं जाती, जो नहीं करती है, उनके लिए है हर 2-2 घंटे में एक तो थोड़ा खाना खाओ और वॉक करने ज़रूर जाओ. बिकॉज वॉक जस्ट डी स्ट्रेस यू. अगर जिम में जाके कार्डियो करते हो तो वेरी गुड, नहीं तो अपने गार्डन में वॉक करो. बिकॉज दैट इज़ व्हाट आई फॉलो. तो ये आपको कभी भी मिस नहीं करना चाहिए, जो आपको हमेशा मेंटली भी फिट रखेगा. 24 घंटे खुला. इट्स वेरी गुड.
हाँ, बेस्ट पार्ट ये है कि 24 घंटे खुला है. क्या होता है, सेलिब्रिटीज़ खासकर उनके साथ प्रॉब्लम ये होती है, शूटिंग आवर्स बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट हो जाता है जिम को मैनेज करना. तो शूटिंग आवर्स ऐसे ऑड होते हैं, कभी कभार 10 बजे, 11 बजे, 12 बजे पैकअप होता है, और उसके बाद अगर वो वर्कआउट नहीं करे, दे डोंट फील गुड, बिकॉज उनको टीवी में अच्छा दिखना है या फिल्म में अच्छा दिखना है. सो फॉर देम दिस इज़ द बेस्ट प्लेस अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, जहाँ 24 आवर फैसिलिटी.
No, sometimes you get bored in the night, नींद नहीं आती, तो at least you know where to go.
और कुछ नहीं तो जिम ही कर लो.
सर, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कुछ नई एक्सरसाइज अगर आप बताना चाहें सेलिब्रिटीज़ को या फिर नॉर्मल कंटेस्टेंट्स को, वो क्या क्या रहेंगी और कितना स्पेशल रहेगा ये?
देखिए, जैसे there is one workout that we gonna bring, which is capoeira. Capoeira probably there is nowhere in Lokhandwala or probably in the near vicinity there is no gym which offers capoeira. Capoeira is like a Brazilian mixed martial arts. So we're gonna bring, that's an idea that we are planning to bring here. Then we have Les Mills workout. Les Mills workout, there are very few gyms which offers Les Mills workout that will burn your calories much faster than you think. So that is one good part about it. We have huge space for everything, so there is room for everybody. And the best part is that fitness people, the people who love fitness, will love this place because it's a raw place and it's 24/7. So ideally, the new thing that we are offering, as I told, is something that capoeira or probably
When are you starting?
that will be probably by next month, for sure. That is for next month we're planning. We have the team ready. It's just that as and when the people fills in, the batches will continue to start, and probably by next month the full batches will continue on the floor. So you guys will definitely love.
Yeah.
A 24/7 concept is something that no gyms have it in the Lokhandwala vicinity. So I'm sure that this place will give them the that time to work out anytime. It's anytime fitness.
Thank you. All the best.